Well, hello there. Today, I will be making a kitty. I don't, chibi, not how you pronounce it. Snake. I don't know if I spelled that right. Something like that. You can't hear my music. Me. I'm not quite sure how chibi stuff works, but it. I don't know. Tail. No. Yeah, it seems pretty legit. Nope, no hair. Let's see. Go away, kitty. Go away, kitty. It shouldn't like we just make everything really chubby, I think. Yeah, that's what that's what I am. Stupid. Go away! No! No! I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Oh wait, they don't have noses, I forget about that. That's... Go away, kitty! That works. I know I suck at everything in life. Yeah, that looks pretty chibi. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Simple. Let's do me OC. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. So, that. This is how it's gonna be. I think this is how you do it. I'm not very sure, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. How big is the eraser? Okay. I don't know if you add cheating on Chibo things. I don't know. Why is it something like that? Yeah, it is. Listen, I don't regularly listen to Nightcore, but it's the only version I can find. So don't go thinking, oh, you like to listen to high-pitched songs. No, I don't. I mean, like, I like to listen, okay. If I'm trying to look for a song in this app that I use, I'm not going to say it because, like, I don't want to get sued or whatever. I'm not sure if it's going to get sued, but whatever. But it's, like, I tried to look for a song, and if Nightcore is the only version of it, I'm going to listen to it, because, like, I'm forced to use it then. So, now I know the story why I had to listen to Nightcore. And I may or may not be doing a series about Muffin. Don't worry about it. I actually forget what she looks like. I don't know anymore, but... Oh yeah, I remember she had like that thingy-mabob on her eye. many layers can I have? I think I broke it. I did. Wait, no ice, no ice. That day, I don't know, I have a problem. How about, I think I'm putting too much detail into this thingy. Well, I need to have one layer for shading. Wait, did I say my character's name already? I don't know. Me not feel in the mood. No, yes. It's typical. Okay, I don't care. I'm keeping it that way. And no, hit the eyebrows. I think I bought the eyebrows. Yeah, I know I screwed up. Dang it. Am I out of layers? Oh, no, I'm not. No, 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 no. Okay, good. turns from sanity. Who did not know his name is Hope? His name is Hope. I'm never what I like. I'm up beside it and I just can't hide. I kinda like it when I make you cry. 'Cause I'm twisted up inside. I'm sorry, I can't even try to sing that. I don't even want to try. Just watch this now. Oh, dang it. Never what I like. I'm double sided and I just can't. I kinda like it when I make you cry. 'Cause I'm twisted up. What I like. I'm double sided and I just can't hide. I kinda like when I make you cry. 'Cause I'm twisted up. Ah, come on now. Inside. Do 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 do. In my automatic, my fears get erratic. Y'all live on. I'm semi-automatic. My fears get erratic. Y'all live on, but I'll live on. Y'all live on, yeah. I'm semi-automatic. My fears get erratic. Never what I like. I'm double-sided and I just can't hide. I kinda like it when I make you cry. 'Cause I'm twisted up inside. Never what I like. I'm double-sided and I just can't hide. I kinda like it when I make you cry. 'Cause I'm twisted up. Do 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 do. Oh, okay. Dang it. Why isn't it playing? Are you kidding me? Play. No. Come in. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Let's see. Oh! Well, here's the finished product. It's only 14 seconds, apparently, and it's really wacky. So, be what you want to. Sorry. Ew. Don't really like this. Oh, this is kind of based off my own cat, Bromley. She's my banner. I don't know why. I don't know. Like, I kind of thought the colors were interesting to work with, and I kind of based it off a video game. Oh, please don't tell me this is when I failed. Oh, nope, it's not. Because I think it's cute. Oh. Anyways, her name is Muffin, so bye.